Looking for some adorable and unique ornaments for your Christmas tree this year? Well, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 beautiful DIY ornaments, perfect for any tree and super fun to create. Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is day 11 out of my 12 Days of Craftmas series. Today is all about ornaments. We are making 3 DIYs, a glitter ornament, a sublimation ornament, and a Pom Pom Snowman. As always, I've linked all the supplies in the description down below. I'm going to show you how to do this step by step, so grab your supplies and let's get crafting. For the first DIY, we are making glitter ornaments. Classy, sparkly, and super customizable. Here's what you're gonna need. Polyacrylic, glitter, clear ornaments. This is optional, but I will be using a Cricut machine with permanent vinyl. First, remove the cap from your clear ornament. Then pour a small amount of polyacrylic into the ornament and swirl it around until the entire inside is coated. Once coated, pour out the excess. Next, pour your glitter inside the ornament. Shake it around to fully coat the interior. The more glitter you use, the more vibrant it'll be. Once coated, set it aside to dry. While it's drying, use your Cricut machine to cut a festive design or cut out a name. Weight the vinyl, apply it to transfer tape, and then carefully apply it to your ornament. Replace the ornament cap, and you're done! The 2 glitter ornaments that I did were themed around my channels, Meow-Made Crafts and Meow-Made Vlogs. So on one side, I put the channel names, and on the other side, I put a paw print. For the second DIY, we are making custom sublimation ornaments. So here's what you'll need for this DIY. Ceramic sublimation ornament blank, sublimation paper, printer, and ink. Up on my screen are the models that I'm currently using. Heat resistant tape and gloves, and a heat press. Today I'll be using my Cricut heat press. First, print your design onto sublimation paper. I created my design in Canva, but feel free to get creative or purchase pre-made designs online. Place the printed sublimation paper face down on the ceramic ornament. Use heat resistant tape to secure it in place, then set your heat press to 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 240 seconds. Apply light pressure. Once time is up, carefully remove the paper while wearing heat resistant gloves. Let the ornament cool and admire your beautiful personalized ornament. The 3 designs that I did for the ceramic ornaments: a picture of me and Brenton from a concert that we went to, a picture of the Powerpuff Girls with Santa hats. By the way, if nobody knew, I'm a huge fan of the Powerpuff Girls. And the last design is Jinx from Arcane. By the way, if you have not seen Arcane, it is a fantastic show and I loved both seasons 1 and 2. For our third and final DIY, we are making an adorable Pom Pom Snowman ornament. Here's what you're gonna need. White acrylic yarn, a pom-pom maker, a yarn needle, black foam, 4 small black buttons, 1 medium-sized black button, pipe cleaners in the color orange, brown, and a random color for the scarf. I'm going to be using red and green, hot glue, and scissors. Let's start by making 2 pom-poms with your pom-pom maker. Wrap the yarn around the maker. The more you wrap, the fluffier your pom-pom will be. For the top of the body, I made my pom-pom less full, and for the bottom of the body, I made a fuller pom-pom. Trim the sides to make them neat and fluffy. For the bottom pom-pom, which is the body, trim all the strings, but for the top pom-pom, which is the head, leave 2 long strings intact. This string will be the one that you use to tie the pom-pom. Next, hot glue the 2 pom-poms together, keeping the long strings on top. Now for the details. Use hot glue to attach 2 small buttons as the eyes and 2 as the coat buttons on the body. Twist 2 pipe cleaners together to make a scarf and wrap it around the snowman's neck. Glue a strip of foam around a medium button to create a tube. Then attach it to a foam circle for the brim. Thread the 2 long strings through the hat and out through the buttonholes. I then tied it on top of the hat, and then I glued the hat in place, and then I tied it at the top to create the ornament loop. For the nose, twist and fold an orange pipe cleaner and glue and press into the face. Finally, twist brown pipe cleaners into Y shapes for arms and attach them to the sides of the snowman. And boom, you got a cute little snowman to put on your Christmas tree. And that is a wrap for day 11 out of 12 days of my Craftmas series. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite, and let me know if you do end up trying any of these. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the rest of the series. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys here for day 12. It is our last day of this series, so I can't wait to show you what we have in store. And as always, adios!